This is the little town of Seward, Nebraska, where I stayed in the neat little motel last night. They got a pretty courthouse. Man, I keep hitting neutral lately. I never do that. I don't know what is going on with me. So anyway, it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm getting a very late start. There goes a big bird. Going west. About to miss my turn. Looking at airplanes. I just saw a sign. I just crossed into Kansas. And it's raining. A little bit. Just a little drizzle on me right now, but the highway looks wet like it's been raining. Only 77 today. That's pretty comfortable riding right there. I like the sun being behind the clouds and not burning me up. I'm so sleepy today. I'm gonna have to get me a loud Harley, I guess, to keep me awake. I've just been really struggling keeping my eyes open. I even tried playing the music loud. Nothing's working. Guess I only got about 4 hours of sleep last night because I kind of stayed up a little late watching TV in the comfortable motel room. And then I woke up like at 4 or 4:30 and couldn't go back to sleep. So got on my phone and all that fun stuff and then started packing up and took a shower. Went and had breakfast. Rhonda at the motel fixed me breakfast, real nice breakfast. Haven't been eating breakfast much on this trip, just maybe a piece of fruit or something, so it's kind of, I think that's what's making me sleepy too. But it's kind of a dreary day. I guess that doesn't help. Alrighty, if it starts raining much more, I'm going to pull over and put these cameras up because I've got the little door off on them, on both of them, so I can charge them. They're not waterproof when you have those little doors off, so I'll have to pull over and put them in the back. Maybe it'd be good for me to get off the bike anyway. Move around a little bit, wake me up. It's kind of bad because I'm so used to using my GPS. And I'm not using it this morning because I want a certain path I want to take. There it is, 36. That's what I want, 8 miles. So I'm used to just not paying attention and letting it tell me where to go. But I'm having to pay attention this morning. It's kind of hard for me to do. Alright then, I'm going to get off here so I find me a place to pull over and put these cameras away for a while till the rain's over with. In Kansas, so it may rain the whole time. I just hope there's no tornadoes. Alrighty then, talk to you soon. There's Lucy, the squirrel. That's kind of pretty, the way it's all painted up at the gas station. Sinclair. I think I'm in Marysville, Kansas, I think is where I'm at. But not sure. Sound like something's falling off my bike. It's not good. Hope I didn't lay anything down. I don't think I had anything, so. Pepsi-Cola bottling company. Ooh, that's a neat statue. That'd be neat to stop and get information on, but I need to get home. There's so much you can stop and look at, and then it just takes you forever to get where you're going. Bite Me Barbecue and Catering. That's interesting. There's a horse guy up on the water tower. Guess it's like the statue that was back there. There's another squirrel. This must be something to do with squirrels in this town. Another one? I need to research that and see what the deal is in Marysville, Kansas, about squirrels. They have black squirrels at Niagara Falls. I've got pictures of them. It's the first time I'd seen black squirrels. I didn't know there was such a thing. I knew there was white squirrels because I have them in Indiana, not too far from where I live. There's another one. It's almost noon. Still got a long way to go. I think I avoided Kansas City by going this way. Now I would like to avoid St. Louis when I get to that area, but I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. That's a long way away yet, so. Pretty sight, the cattle out grazing and they're not getting burned up by the sun at 105 degrees. Just 77. Bet they're enjoying that. I bet that rain feels good to them. Cooling off even a little more, I guess because of the rain. I need to find a place and pull over, do something with the camera. It's really coming down now. Maybe this will work. I hate those bumpies. Hopefully nobody will come this way. All right. Here you go. You're going to be bagged. Well, how does that look with a plastic bag on your head? Probably can't see very well, can you? Especially with the rain. Yes, people, this is what it's like to ride a motorcycle. Sometimes you get wet. Sometimes you get wet and cold, and sometimes it's 105 and it's just up and down. You never know what it's going to do. I'm sure it's a strain on your body. Up here comes another crazy person riding in the rain. Ooh, and he didn't have a helmet on, nothing on his face, just his eyes. Ooh, I bet that's painful. I'm fully covered from head to toe, so I can't feel the rain. Got a full face covering and everything, so I don't think I could do that right there. I think it would hurt too bad. It's a neat old barn. Make a know this person's gonna speed up. How cute. I'm on cruise at 70. It started passing me, speeded up. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a rainbow. See it right over there, going this way. But I am a tired person right now. I'm tired. Yesterday, I came down through South Dakota, came all the way across Nebraska, which is long and hard, and got almost to the end, almost to Lincoln, Nebraska. Then I dropped down into Kansas today. Today I dropped down into Kansas, went through Missouri, part of Missouri, and I should be getting into Illinois before too long. Welcome to Illinois. This is the Mississippi River. Ooh, and it got hot, steamy. 88. It was like 81. Just keeps getting warmer, and it's raining a little bit, so that makes it steamy. A little bit of the rainbow, and I saw lightning over there a while ago. I didn't have the camera on, but there's a little bit of the rainbow. I'm still in Illinois. Beautiful American flag. Isn't it pretty? Big flag. Go ahead and get gas before it gets dark. I actually got motels here. Probably what I should do, but you know how hard-headed I am. Get to see the flag again. It always looks like it's flowing in slow motion when they're big like that. Let's see, I'm gonna go this way, and then I can just pull right up and go inside. Loves are usually really nice. So it's get close to 9 o'clock at night, and I'm about 4 hours from home. And it's been raining hard. It's lightning over there pretty good earlier, but my camera went dead on me, so I got it plugged back in, so hopefully it's working good. Here comes the rain again, so woo, there's a little bit of lightning. There was trees in my way. Now there's no trees. Come on, lightning. It was like fireworks a while ago. It just kept going off. Yep, more trees. It rains and then it slacks off. I get through a spot where it slacks off and then it starts raining again. I have to duck down behind the windshield to keep the camera dry and so I can see. You know, people are always telling me that I'm brave, and I always say, I don't know if it's brave or stupid. It's 9:30 at night on a lonely road on a 20-year-old bike in a rainstorm and lightning storm. I don't know if I'd call that brave or not. Oh man, did you see that one? I had the camera turned the wrong way. That was a nice one. People probably don't appreciate me running my lights on brights, but I got to be able to see in case a deer runs out in front of me. They're not giving me brights, so must not be bothering them too bad. Tweety don't have all that of bright lights since he's 20 years old, like the new ones do. Could stop and set my GPS. Walmart parking lot would have been a good place for that. Might do that. Alrighty, I'm gonna set this and head home.